there were some real good positive performances. Obviously, you know, the result is not what we wanted, but once they took that goal to equalise, I thought we showed inexperience in that moment to concede, you know, 2 goals after that. Doesn't put you in a great position, but again, everything that we've said this season is a learning moment for all of us. So they'll learn from it, they'll develop and get better moving forward.
Okay, that's the most important thing. We can write it all up, but at the end of the day, you have to have the desire to score. Okay, that has to be there. Do not let that level drop. Yeah.
Let's keep this ball going. Okay, play with passion, play with drive, play with pride, and let's go get that carrot.
Adriana the other way, slide by Brooks, penalty! Amber Brooks goes in, catches Adriana, and puts Orlando to the spot.